Okay, this is Mr. Gray. This is Irig Stream Pro tutorial. Our introduction to Irig Stream Pro. Let me just caption it that way. Introduction to Irig Stream Pro. So, okay, let's discuss Irig Stream Pro. I have Irig Stream Pro. I have Irig Stream Solo. Then, what are these devices? Who are they meant for? They're meant for you. You are streaming live in social media, in your Facebook, your YouTube, and every other social media platform you're streaming. So it's for live streamers, and you can also use it for pre-recorded stuff you want to share online. And like this one is not live streaming. I'm not live streaming. This is pre-recorded, and I recorded it with my camera app. Okay, so I will show you whatever I'm using today in this this tutorial. I will show you everything from my phone, my stand, my camera stand, my phone selfie stick stand, the microphone I'm using, and you can see I'm using the Shure SM7B Shure SM7B legendary microphone. I'll show you. This is it. This is Shure SM7B. Okay, so that is what I'm using. And okay, so let me keep it one side. Okay, so I'm using Shure SM7B to record in my phone, and my phone is Infinix Note 50 Pro. Show you what I'm using. So okay, this is it. Infinix Note 50 Pro. So this is what I'm using. Infinix Note 50 Pro, 256, 16 gig RAM, 8 plus 8 gig extended. Okay, so this is it. Note 50 Pro. That's what I'm using. That's a very good phone. So how do I achieve picture in picture? The camera app of this phone comes with it. So that's one of the features that made me to buy the phone, because of the picture in picture. There are other dual camera application that you can download, but they're not all that they look childish to me, where this guy looks good. For example, you can see me, I appear big, good and fine. You can see, okay, so, and the gears I'm reviewing will appear smaller. So picture in picture, I can enlarge it, move it any place I want it on the screen. And okay, this is not a tutorial for Infinix Note 50 Pro. This is a tutorial for Irig Stream Pro. Okay, so this is a tutorial for Irig Stream Pro. So okay, so now let me go back to this. Okay, so now this device is very good, very good. It's actually, this device blew my mind, and I will show you what I did and why you need it. Okay, I will test different microphones here. I'm using Shure SM7B with my native camera app. Okay, I have Blackmagic, I have Protec, I have Shure Motif video app. So these are the three apps I'm using to record my videos, and they are great. So everyone, you know, they have the area they shine. So the Blackmagic app is free, totally free. The Protec, you have to subscribe. The free version of it, you can manage it, but the Shure Motif app is good. It has little features. It's good. If you are using Shure microphones, Shure MV7 Plus, and Shure MV7 stuffs like that, and MV7 and MV7 Plus is good for you. That app is very good. Okay, so now why must you use this? Can't you just get a microphone and hook up to your phone and you start recording? Sorry. Yes, you can do that. Very simple. Why are you wasting extra money to get an audio interface? Because Irig Stream Pro is an audio interface, so you use it for your to capture sound. So why can't I use a ordinary microphone? I use ordinary microphone and I'm good to go. So I don't need to have additional audio interface. For example, my Rode Wireless Pro microphone can still do the job. I don't need if I'm using this, I don't need, this bad boy here can do the job very well, and the sound is super graded. It's studio graded sound. It's a top notch. So I'll also test it. You see it. So this is Rode Wireless Pro with the accessories. This microphone can do a great job. Then comes with the handle, the handheld. That's it. Okay, so good and fine. That's Rode Wireless Pro. Okay, so this is it. So why can't I use it? Even use my Boya microphone. So let me get a Boya microphone. Okay, so I have the Boya microphone. So you can see this Boya and microphone. So I will make use of all these microphones, and you can see the Boya microphone. Okay, your normal microphone, this guy here. Okay, so I have so many of them. So okay, there are so many microphones that you can interface in your phone, and you use it to have a very good record. Like a Rode is good. You also have Boya USB microphones that you can interface. You have Shure SM7B, MV7, MV7X, MV7 Plus, and that is it. And other MV7 series. The MV7 series, they are good microphones that you can use. Okay, so now, and if you want to do things that are beyond that, that is where this guy comes in, because you got to do something that you have to do something that is beyond having only your mic. Then you want other inputs. For example, I want to live stream with my Jita. How can I hook up my Jita? You can't hook up your Jita in that instrument, that microphone. It's only microphone. Other multiple inputs. You don't have multiple inputs that goes into your phone. Good and fine. So I'm live streaming with my DJ deck, and I'm a DJ. I want to make sure that all my sound from my DJ turntable enters my live mix. So how can I do that? I cannot just do it with a USB microphone. I cannot capture that sound, a processed sound, into my live mix or my pre-recorded video. Okay, so when capturing live sound in your mix, you want to capture live sound. And so you can hear me very well. Okay, good, I'm fine. So you want to capture live sound, and then you, in your live mix or your pre-recorded video, your recording video, you want to capture live sound, and from your DJ turntables. That is where this guy features, as you can see now. So let's just run quickly the features that you have here. So now this is Irig Stream Pro, this is Irig Stream Solo. So I will start with Irig Stream Pro because that is the one I'm making use of now. Okay, so now let me play the first scenario, and I will demonstrate it for you. Then I will do about up to 5 scenarios where this guy shines, why you need it, and even though you have your USB microphone, like I have this with the accessories and everything is expensive. I have it. So wireless microphone connected to USB, and I'm good to go. Okay, so now I have a small church. Our church is small, and it's not all that big. We don't have money to purchase the big gears, a 10 Mini Pro. Like I have a 10 Mini Pro here for live streaming. Let me show you. I have this, my 10 Mini Pro. Okay, so, and I have cameras. I have Canon M50 Mark II camera here. Okay, so I have Canon M50 Mark II camera, and I have a Canon XA series, XA11, and rest of them. And other cameras that I have here that I use to Logitech camera, high-graded Logitech camera that I use to capture my videos. So, but the essence of doing this is to show you that you can also use your phone to capture quality video. So the phone I'm using is a mid-range phone anybody can afford. So Infinix Note 50 Pro. So I'm using the dual video application in the phone. So, and you can see the picture in picture. You can see myself, so I can move picture in picture. Okay, so now this guy here, now I want to capture live sound from my laptop. Let me go to and play.
The rain of miracle is falling on you today. Oh, let it fall, even let it overflow.
I got you with me. Blessing someone today.
Akaya, akaya.
I got you over me.
Okay, so that is it. So now you see what I did now. So this goes to my laptop, and you can see it connected to my laptop. This is my laptop. Okay, so it connects to the laptop, and I have a dual screen. You can see when I play it, you can see.
The rain of healing.
So, okay. So you see what I did. Okay, so now the same time I'm recording, and at the same time I'm playing music. So you can't achieve with ordinary microphone. You can't achieve that with ordinary microphone. So this is the first scenario. I want to play my DJ. I'm a DJ. I want to play my music to my live stream. So as I'm playing my music to my live stream, and everything is entering to my recording, and a super graded, studio graded sound, processed sound is going through it, and that is it. And another scenario is, for example, I want to hook up my guitar, and I want to play my guitar. So you see, you can hook up your instrument, just as instrument. Let me just mute. Okay, so you see, and I hook up my guitar and I play along. You see, you can hear everything, and everything is being recorded with my phone. That's the most important aspect of this. I'm not recording it with camera. I'm recording it with my phone. Okay, so I've played guitar. I've played a music from my laptop. All is being captured with this same Irig stream. So okay, so two scenarios. I've played music, I've played guitar. Okay, one more important thing. During live mix, you discover that once you send a signal from your mixer to your OBS, your vMix, or your live streaming app, you find out that you have a different signal. You have a different quality. Your live stream will be sounding like crap. Good and fine. Then you still need a different mixer to mix your live stream. Good. This is where this guy shines very well. So what you need to do, you don't need extra other mixer to capture your live mix. Very simple. You don't need any other mixer to capture your live mix. So you have some people, they will have a different mixer for your live mix. Then you have the church mixer, the front of house mixer, the normal mixer for the congregational mixer, the church mixer, the main mixer. Then you have a smaller mixer. They use it to mix their live mix so that their live mix will sound good. They also have a different mix for live mix. Yeah, with this guy, you don't have. So even if you don't need it for any other phone application, but you are streaming live, you want to stream to OBS straight ahead to OBS, good and fine, and you need a a different mix, you need your mixer, you need whatever that you are getting in your church, in your main mixer, the same quality to your live mix. This is what you need. With this, you can achieve it. How will you achieve it? As simple as ABCD. What you got need to do, just go to your earphone, where you plug your earphone, your headset, your headphone, and use this. Look at it, good and fine. This is RCA input. Then you connect to your mixer. You connect to your mixer, to your headphone output of your mixer. Good and fine. So every other thing that is coming from that headphone output, the way you are hearing it in your ear, all your live mix, all your settings, every other thing is hitting all your main house EQ, reverb, whatever thing you did, and making your mixer to sound great. Everything goes to your live mix. So everything goes to your live mix. So that is it. So you just use this converter. This is 1/4 to 3.5 mm. This is 1/8. This is 1/4 inch. So you convert the 1/8 to 1/4 because your mixer goes with this. If your mixer goes with this, good and fine. You can plug this straight ahead, and you are good to go. So, and you get your signal, then you connect to your live mix. You got what I'm saying? So you connect to your live mix. Then that is it. So you see, you find out that you don't need extra mixer. Then from the mixer, you pick your audio interface. From your audio interface enters your OBS, your vMix, or your whatever thing you are using, to your Yellow Box, your Black Magic, whatever stuff like that. You don't need all those ones. So what you just need to do is to use the USB. This is the USB. Connects to the laptop you're using to stream live to the web. And any sound that is coming to that place is a processed sound. Automatically, the same sound that is hitting your headset, the same processed sound that is hitting your headset, is the same sound that is hitting your this thing. So let me I have a digital mixer here. Let me just use it to explain to you what I mean. And I will still also do all these things and do it. And the very practical aspect of it. This is just like a demo. I'm demonstrating. You are not hearing it very well. So I will come to a live scenario where I will connect it to the mixer. I will be doing it. I will be streaming live. So you will hear the same sound. So you don't need a separate mixer to mix your live mix. So I'll get this mixer here. Then okay, so this is Midas MR18. So let me show you. This is Midas MR18. And okay. This is Midas MR18. So it's an 18 input mixer, 16 preamp mic inputs with line 17 and 18. Okay, this is what I mean. This is your headphone. So I will just connect here. I'm streaming live. I just put it here. And this goes to what? This goes to this place. Look at it. RCA input, convert it to 3.5 millimeter. From 3.5 millimeter, bring it down again. Or you can go straight if you have this as a 1/4 inch. But because I'm plugging into the laptop, I have this. So this goes to my mixer. So whatever mix that I did, this is a digital mixer, so it's a visual mixer. Every other thing is in the software. It's in the software. So whatever thing that is coming here is hitting this guy. So it's not changing the quality. The quality remains the same. So you understand. So it's not changing the quality. The quality remains the same, and it gets to your live mix. So you don't need a separate mixer. This has solved the problem for you. So from the USB, this is USB. Either you use type A, type C, it has all of them, or Lightning for iPhone, or Lightning for iPhone, Lightning for iPhone. So you connect to your laptop, you're using your OBS to stream live, you're using your vMix or any other streaming platform, your Ecamm, your StreamYard. Then you have exact sound. So the front of house mix is going to your live mix. So that is for sound engineers and those in the church and that is making use of sound consoles. Okay, good and fine. Then let me go for content creators. I'll show you where this is applicable. So it's for every group, wherever you find yourself, this guy will help you. So it's one instrument that everybody needs, be it a content creator, be it a sound engineer, be it anybody that is sharing. You are sharing your video online, you stream live, you make content, you post your video. You need this. You can't run away from it. This is a mind-blowing instrument. When I came across it, I said, wow, this instrument is mind-blowing. It's something that I cannot do without. Okay, so I have to get both of them, and that is these two, the Irig Stream Solo and Irig Stream Pro. To me, they are the best of them all. Okay, so let me show you another scenario. I'll remove this mixer and then I'll show you another scenario. Okay, so another scenario is that you are using a multi-channel. You want to record, you want to use it in a studio application. You don't have any other audio interface. So this is a one-time audio. It's an audio interface that once you have it, it's just a multi-purpose audio interface. But the most important thing is for it to capture live sound and give it the way it is, without degrading the quality. That's the most important thing. So that means I don't need a separate mixer for my live mix. I don't need a separate mixer that I will do a live mixer that will go to my live stream. That one is mind-blowing. That feature alone is mind-blowing. So I don't need any other separate mixer to do my live mix. So that is it. You just get it from the headphone output, and I'm good to go. I can decide, yes, I can decide to create maybe from another output. So let's say I use this, then I use this guy. Let's say I use this to this. I connect to maybe to auxiliary output, get auxiliary output, and route a sound to maybe 5 and 6 of my auxiliary output. The same sound, I can do the same mix that I'm using in my main mix, left and right, and route it to 5 and 6, and they get it to this place. It can still work. So whatever way I'm doing it, it still works. Okay, so good and fine. So another one is if I'm recording in the studio and I need to use a multi-channel mode. The Irig Stream Pro can also act as a multi-channel audio interface with 4 separate inputs. By default, the Irig Stream Pro is set to act as a 2-channel interface with the following channel count. So by default, it's meant to act as a 2-channel audio interface. So then if you want to make it a multi-channel audio interface, in 2-channel, what I mean is the RCA left and right. That is it. So every other thing is routed to this left and right input. So you have your RCA1, that is have your loop back, your mic, instrument, and headset in. this the same thing, this loop back, mic instrument, and RCA input and headset in this. So every other thing is routed to this left and right, so it gives you just a stereo left and right stuff by default. That is what you need for Facebook, for YouTube. If you're streaming from this straight to your Facebook, your YouTube, that's how it works. So you don't go for channel multi-channel mode, because Facebook and some Facebook social media cannot handle that multi-channel mode. So it's on mono mode. These platforms their sound is on mono. So okay, so that is it. So you see that you just need a multi-channel mode, and you want to record in your DAW, your digital audio workstation, your Logic. I want to record on Logic. So what I just need to do is to switch it back to multi-channel mode. In multi-channel mode, you have your channel 1 should be your RCA left with a loop back left, channel 2 RCA right plus loop back right. Your channel 3 is mic instrument, which is mic instrument is channel 3, and the channel 4 is headset. This is the headset. This the headset. Okay, so this is the headset. So this headset should be the channel 4. So what it means is that you have 4 in, you have 4 out. So goes to your to your DAW. It goes to your DAW. So you have your 4 in, your 4 out goes to your DAW. Okay, so now how do you get to this? And I don't want it to interrupt what I'm doing, but it's very simple. If you want to change the operational mode, push and hold the button, mic mode button for 3 seconds. This button, hold it for 3 seconds. The button will light up with an indicate that you currently are in 2-channel mode. It will show you first of all that you're in 2-channel mode by default. Okay, another instruction again, press the button again and it will light up green to indicate that multi-channel mode is selected. So you press 1 again. For example, the first one, press and hold for 3 seconds. It will show you that you are currently on what? On 2-channel mode. Then you press 1 again. Just one click. It will show you that you are light green, that you are about to enter multi-channel mode. Then you press and hold it for 3 seconds, then boom, you're in multi-channel mode. So if you want to repeat the same again, so you press again. That's once you have entered the multi-channel mode, that is it. So if you want to reverse back again, the same method again, you press to know the mode you are into, you press and hold again. If you confirm that this is the mode you are looking for by the indication, I told you that pink is 2-channel mode, green is for multi-channel. So if you see a pink and that is where you want to stay in 2-channel mode, you press and hold it. It will enter that mode, and boom, you are good to go. Okay, so that is it. That is the instruction, and it's very simple. So you don't need a rocket science for you to know how to use it. So I will just run down the features and say you have this is where I connected my headset, and they have my headset volume. This is mic instrument. This mic increase my microphone volume, and they have your RCA inputs. This is where I used to increase my RCA. And okay, so for example, I play music and I will increase it.
The rain of miracle is falling on you today. Oh, let it fall. Even let it overflow.
Aka Jehovah,
Blessing someone today.
Akaya, akaya.
akaya, aka Jehovah nemema. Okay, so that is it. So I use this to increase the auxiliary, the RCA input. Then the headset, I don't have a headset mic, so you use this to increase your headset volume. Use this to increase your headset volume. Okay, so then coming to the front here, that I've explained, this is mute. I press 1. So you can't hear me if I press it, but Okay, I don't want to enter into the multi-track and the 2-track mode. Is going to interrupt my video, so I don't want it. I've tried it before, it interrupted everything. So this selection you have to make before you engage in recording or live streaming. You have to mind you, for live streaming on Facebook, you don't need multi-channel. So but if you want to record in your DAW, you want to record music, you want to do stuff like that in your DAW, digital audio workstation, Cubase, FL Studio, stuff like that, Mixbox, stuff like that, you engage in multi-channel and you are good to go. Engage first before you start. Good. Not in the middle of your program, your videos, your recordings, you start to toggle this. It's going to interrupt what you're doing from experience. Okay, so now you have the big volume knob here. It's not an endless rotary encoder, it's a potentiometer. This is the beginning and this is the end. So once it turns green, it means that you are okay. Once it starts turning red, okay, you know that you are not on the good side. You are clipping already, then you have to reduce it a little bit. So this is it. Okay. Testing microphone 1 2, testing microphone 1 2. Okay, so that is it. So low means that your signal is low, you need to boost it. So okay, so you'll be juggling between low and okay. It's okay, so you will not have that green steady. Okay, the microphone I'm using is a Hungry Gain microphone. It's a Shure SM7B. You know that you want to use this microphone, you use a cloud lifter, you use your preamps before you use the microphone. But I'm surprised that my Irig Stream Pro is capturing it without any of these instruments, without any cloud lifter, without any stuff like that. So directly I'm capturing the sound and it's okay. What I'm hearing, what I'm getting in my feedback here is good. It's good. So kudos to Irig Stream Pro, kudos to IK Multimedia that this guy can capture Hungry Game microphone like Shure SM7B. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so this knob is for general live stream volume. Understand? So okay, and that is it. So everything that enters that is going to your live stream, your pre-recorded, your recorded videos, and everything, you reduce it with this. Okay, so it's just like a master volume. Okay, so good and fine. So you come into this place, then you have this guy here. You have your DC in. This your DC in is where you plug optional power supply. Optional power supply. So you connect an optional power supply here so that your battery on your phone will not run down, because it's making use of the battery from my phone for making use of the battery to operate. So through the USB, this is MIDI to USB type C. The type C is inside my phone. Okay, I connected to my phone, so it's using a phone powered. It's phone powered now. So if I want my phone to be charging at the same time is supplying to this, I need to get this from IK Multimedia, the power adapter for Irig Stream, for the Irig Stream Pro, Irig Pro Duo, and rest of them. You get it and plug it. If the same time powers this, the same time powers your phone, charge your phone at the same time. So that is it. Okay, let's go over to flip over to this side and see what is here. So I have this as direct monitor. If I shoot it down, I can hear myself again. Okay, if I on it, I can hear myself again. Then I have a loop back function. Loop back function, good and fine. Loop back function in a situation whereby you're doing a multi-track, you have to switch it to multi-track first of all. For multi-track, then multi-track, what you have to do there is you have to get your sound to Mixbox or any of the DAW and process a sound. At the same time, you leave that DAW or Mixbox or whatever digital audio workstation you are working with, leave it to run in the background, then you get the sound back to your system. So for example, now I didn't process the sound, no EQ, no reverb, just dry. This is a flat dry sound, dry. So if I want a reverb, I need to, use a visual mixer to do reverb mix and do my mixing, add some quality, audio quality inside the mix, and to sound good, super good. So I need to loop it back. So when I finish in the system, I need to loop it back. So that loop back is, you have to engage this loop back on. So to feed it back through this place. So allow it to run in the background. Then you feed it back, you on this, it comes back, and your mix is super. Okay, so this is 48 volts. I'm using dynamic microphone. I don't want to put 48 volts on some dynamic microphone. If you put 48 volts, you're going to damage the diaphragm of this microphone. Depending, I tried it before, I made a mistake. Thank God it didn't damage it, but don't try it. Don't try that one at home. Okay, so only condenser microphone. So I will use condenser microphone, then you see the sound. I will on it, I'll use condenser microphone. That's another scenario that I'll need to demonstrate. Okay, then you have the gain. You can see my gain is at the maximum because this microphone is a hungry gain microphone, so I switch the gain to the maximum. But for other microphones that are not hungry gain microphone, please bring the gain down so that you will not have noise. Bring the gain down. It's because of this microphone is a hungry gain microphone that I have to crank it up to the maximum. But if you're using this type of microphones and other microphones like my Rode Wireless Pro microphones, bring the gain down to avoid noise. So this is the headset. The headset is pilot mic, with microphone, the earphone that has a microphone. So you connect it. So you can also use it and to live mix and to record. At the same time you're hearing yourself. At the same time you're speaking through the mic. Then what it means that you give this. You can add any other thing here. For example, you can add a jitter here. Then here you can connect your another mic here. Then you are good to go. So you have 2 inputs here. Plus this, your RCA, your auxiliary in. Then you are good to go. Okay, so very simple. So what I'm going to do now is that in my next tutorial, I'm going to interface this guy with a mixer. I have my Zoom H8. I have my Zoom H8. I have my other mixer, my analog mixer. It's a hybrid mixer. It's an analog mixer with 16 in and out audio interface. So from Behringer Xenix UFX 1604. Okay, so good. That's a good mixer. Yeah, you can't get that type of mixer now. Can't get it now. A good mix. Okay, so I will interface it with this, then we'll see how it goes. Then another thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to use this and interface with this to see what we can get. Okay, so something like this. Good. I'm gonna to reduce the volume of this so that I will not make noise. Okay, so that is it. I will reduce the volume. Okay, so by the time I connect it, then you see what we can achieve through it, and then know what you can. I did it before, and the result is mind-blowing. And I put the loop back off, and whenever you're doing it, so let's. Okay, so good and fine. So remember to push the loop back off. Once the loop back is off, don't try to on the loop back. Then you can do this one. Okay, so that is it. So like this, we have to achieve something. I will show you what I achieved by doing it this way. So combining the two of them, I achieved a lot. I did some mind-blowing stuff. Okay, this is not a tutorial for both of them. I'll still do a tutorial for both of them. Okay, so later I will do review on this one. Then I'll compare the two sounds and see how the sounds looks like. Good. Okay, so that is it. Okay, I will try 2 different microphones, and we are good to go. We are out of here. Okay. So let me try. First of all, let me start with my condenser microphone. My Behringer B2 Pro microphone. So so you can see now I have to reduce the gain. Then I have to engage my phantom power. You can see phantom power is on. you can see the phantom power is on. So I have to reduce the gain to 4. Okay, let me increase it to 8. Okay, so you can see the sound now. Okay, so this microphone looks bright, and you can see it looks bright. It looks okay, good and fine. Okay, so you can see the sound quality now. So if you want to get this kind of sound quality in your phone, you're good to go. You're good to go. So I can reduce the overall mix. Okay, so I can go high, 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 high. You see? Okay, so I can bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. Okay, so that is it. So this is a Behringer B2 Pro in with the Irig Stream Pro. Okay, so I will remove it. I will try short SM7B. Okay, I will try one more dynamic microphone. I will try Ultra Voice. I will try this guy here. I will try this guy. Okay, this is Behringer Ultra Voice. I'll try this guy. Okay, so that is it. I will mute it, then I'll remove it. I will then off the phantom power. Okay, so you can see the quality of this microphone. It's a cheap microphone, and you can hear the sound. Even the sound of you can see the sound now. Okay, so this will tell you the reason why you need to use a quality microphone. You can see this one. This guy here, you must use a process. You must process the sound. It must pass through a mixer. You must use reverb, EQ before you get a good sound from this type of microphones. This type of cheap microphones. Okay, you can see the sound. Okay, good and fine. It's not that's sounding good, but it's manageable. Okay, good. Even the sound of me, everything that is happening as I'm holding it, you are hearing everything. Okay. Testing the microphone 1 2. Testing the microphone 1 2. Okay, so back to my Shure SM7B. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so let us also add use a Rode wireless microphone. Let's use this. It's bringing interference. Remove it. You can hear this, huh? Okay. Okay, so you have to be careful of all these things. So you remove it. You don't bring it close because it's wireless. A lot of signals are moving around. So that is it. So I'm going to, first of all, I'll use this. Remove it. Attach this to it. Then I cover it. Good and fine. Okay, good. Okay, so you can see. So I'm using my Rode Wireless Pro microphone now. You can see it now. Okay, so it's sounding great. It's sounding good. You can see it now. This is my receiver. This is my receiver, and my transmitter is inside this place. So look at what I did. You can see it is inside. Yeah, I will just show you. Okay, so you can see it. It's very good. Very good, very good. Okay, you can see it. It's very good. It's very good. Okay, so that is it. So with these few points of mine, I can be able to convince you now that this bad boy here is good for everybody. No matter what you are doing in social media, in online business, whatever thing you are doing, you need this guy. You're a DJ, you need it most. You are a content creator, you need it most because sometimes you need other additional inputs to jam along. If you're in the church, you are planning to buy a different mixer for your live mix, or do a different live mix, suffering yourself doing a different live mix for your online viewers. You don't need to do that again. This goes to your headset input jack. With this, connect it there, you are good to go. At the same time, you monitor your mixer, and also your live mix is as the same as your front of house. Okay, that is it. That is it. Okay, bye bye for now. I'm Mr. Great here in Mr. Great Studio. So more tutorials are coming on this. Combine a lot of things. Like I promised you, I will combine both of them. Combine it to camera, use a lot of things to get the sound, get this thing to the sound. Attend Mini Bro, Yellow Box, and rest of them. Connect everything together with it. Then good and fine. I will connect my machine instrument, MK3 there, and connect my keyboard. We'll play along. We'll do live streaming with it. You can see it's a workhorse. Okay, that is where we'll call it a day on Irig Stream Pro. Bye bye for now. This is Mr. Great here in Mr. Great Studio. Bye.